Have you ever wondered how a rice mill manages its inventory? It's a complex process, isn't it? Each grain of rice, every bag, every seed type, and each delivery needs to be meticulously tracked. But worry not, there's a solution. Today we delve into an innovative software designed to streamline this intricate process, the RiceMill Inventory Management Software. The heart of this software is its 5 core modules: Paddy Inventory Management, Rice Inventory Management, Paddy Gunny Bags Management, and Plastic Bags Management. The first module, Paddy Inventory Management, is a comprehensive tool for tracking paddy arrivals, processing, and storage. It gives you detailed information about each batch, the location and seed type of stored paddy, and the average rates of each location. This module also generates invoices, provides a broker-wise outstanding summary, and prevents duplication of payments. Its dynamic features include one-click shortage generation after a lot is completed, and the ability to send invoice copies to brokers via WhatsApp alerts. Next up is Rice Inventory Management. This module gives you a detailed list of bins and what kind seed type of rice is stored in each, with respective batch details. If a portion of rice is delivered to an end user, the software automatically calculates the balance amount of rice left in the bin. This module also provides various reports such as a daybook, which gives details of the rice delivered day-wise, and alerts you instantly if there's a shortage detected after delivery. The third module, Paddy Gunny Bags Management, keeps track of the empty gunny bags delivered to each broker against the paddy received. By the end of each season, you can generate reports of broker-wise current status of the bags, ensuring you've received an equal number of paddy against the gunny bags released. The fourth module, Plastic Bags Management, tracks your plastic bag inventory on a daily basis. When the stock of brand bags is below a certain threshold, an automated message is sent to the bag supplier to replenish your stock. Finally, the software also performs various miscellaneous tasks such as Hamali calculations, sending rice shortage amount received to brokers, and keeping track of electricity units consumed per bags processed. In summary, the RiceMill Inventory Management Software is a comprehensive solution for managing and streamlining the complex process of rice manufacturing. It provides robust inventory management, efficient tracking, and automated alerts, all designed to save time, reduce errors, and increase productivity. This software is indeed a game changer in the rice milling industry. Don't let the complexities of inventory management weigh you down. With this software, you can focus on what truly matters, producing high-quality rice for your customers.